and that's the lowest point that I can see. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. I don't know. Like I just tried it and I saw minus 27 there.
I think it's kind of like, I don't know, I don't do it. I use it the other way around.
Okay.
From this high to this low, because we are in bearish, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the first target should be lower high, which is 78.60. Now, the way it went up is just you follow the structure, to be honest. You don't need to targeting like minus 27 and then you close your buy. Oh, you can. You want a safety. But your target is either we're going to break this high or we're just like rejecting lower high, which is 78.60. So you pull it from here to here. Otherwise, you're limiting your move to the upside. That's why to see the way to the upside, I just care that, okay, this low will hold the next pullback if that happens. Otherwise, it's just going up. Yeah, that's from me. Because it's a bit unclear if you pull it from here to here, like
what I'm trying to achieve.
Yeah.
I think because if you pull it from, technically you pull from here to here, right? The move up is not completed yet.
Yeah.
The fib can only be pulled on a entire swing, or like what Andy says, an entire impulse move. So if the move hasn't ended, we cannot pull yet. So unless you use, that means unless you're using like, wait, let me clear everything. Unless you're using like this, okay, so like this move down, right? The two candles. You want to know how deep this pullback will be. Then you pull from here to here, find out where this pullback will be, if you think it's going to come down. Yeah, so, and I think that's why Andy is also pulling this. Right? Andy, this is the same level, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because like the remember yesterday I told you I was watching the transparent FX fit video, right? Yeah, he explained something that hit me. Like, you remember how previously I was telling you, like, you pull it from the swing high to swing low, but I didn't really have a very clear explanation for it. But his point was that if you're talking about like an impulse, right, you pull, if you want to find out how deep this comes, you pull from the previous leg. So the previous one is this one, right? So you pull from here to here. Then if you want to know where this one will end, you pull from here to here. The other way, I mean.
I get
it. Go one leg before. And that's why yesterday when I saw that video, I was like, damn, no wonder Andy adjust his feet like that to find target. And then suddenly like things just clicked.
Makes sense.
But now on the 1 hour here, it's a bit difficult to pull because the swings are not very clear already. It's still possible, like if you want, because this thing, you see, if you pull from, let's say you talk about this whole area here, right? Then you pull from this swing low, then after that you'll be like, what the fuck, why this wick like that? Then you'll be like, yeah, so this area is a bit tougher to pull the feet. But I think the general direction is still about there.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's what I get it, like I might not be correct also. But general sense, when I went to pull it on multiple areas in price, then so far it still holds, so I think I might have gotten the idea right in some weird way. It's like trial and error. You try until it fits, then you try to figure it out, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
Plus, anyway, the minus 27 is not a 100% retracement. It's just a reaction. It's a place that it might have a potential reaction.
Yeah, just like yesterday when it rejected the 78 on the daily. Sorry, the 60.
Yeah.
Then I divide.
Yeah. The way I see it is, if let's say, right, I think it depends how you want to pull your fibs also. So for example, if I think that on the 4 hour, right, this move down is going to pull back and continue down, I want to know how deep this 4 hour will come. So it's like layers, I think. So I'll pull from here to here because this move already ended. And now price is retracing. So if I pull it like this, right, then I will know that, okay, in this 4 hour, it could be coming back. So this area here, because there's support on the left, right? Okay, this is my 4 hour area, potentially.
Yeah.
Then if I want to go a bit more shorter term, then I'll drop down to the 1 hour and look for the latest move down, which is tighter, is somewhere here. Then I'll start to see from there. That's why this is like the first area. When it passes here, right, then this is my next hurdle that I have to cross. That's the way I'm trying to understand it. Let's see, swimmers.
I think I'm gonna close myself.
You think he's going up, right? Yeah, swimmers has the same area as me.
Now my concentration is buy.
Do what, Nico? Oh, someone asked me to do that again. I'm like, do what? Damn, I heard a cow.
Bruh.
Bruh. I heard a cow. Yeah, swimmers, I'm trying to... I wanted to buy in the green box on my screen, but GG is going without me. I think it might have done its move, but we'll see.
I think I'd rather wait.
For it to come down?
Yeah.
No. I cannot enter here already. If I enter here and knowing that I have a problem area coming right up above me, I'd rather buy a bit lower. I kind of missed it already. Because this area here, like, Andy, I'm on YouTube, don't sing please.
Copyright.
Copyright.
Please. Like, I see this thing lower highs, and so far nothing has broken this area yet. So as I approach this area, I want to be a bit more careful. And this one is also the 4 hour high.
I think it's kind of broken, to be honest.
Can it come down first? Come down. Then break.
Yeah, if it's gonna come down and pulling back up, well, it's gonna come back to with like 151 500.
151 5. As in, then you'll go to 151 500.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is slowly building a bullish structure, in my opinion.
Yeah. You're looking at 151 500 because of this swing, is it? The 61.
Yeah, kind of. It's not a fixed number, but
it's
that
just a
area
zone.
could be, yeah.
Yeah. Let's put it there first. My green box was 9 AM. Oh no, Aiden, how I got the green box, right? was just now before all these candles pushed pre-London at the 4-hour close, right? This was the latest move up for me. So the candles were like this. I didn't have all this. Yeah, so when I saw it, it was like that at the 4-hour close pre-London. So for me, right, my thought process is this move came up, is doing a retest. I want it to come somewhere inside this area. Then I'll buy. Because I'm expecting like at least this week to be filled partially. But no, JJ decided to go without me. Nicole, I think I explained it. I don't know which part you didn't understand. You might have to elaborate. Pulling the feet.
Oh, you kept rejecting.
So the trend reverse happened when you were having a morning coffee. Yeah, you had the nice entry, bruh. It was a nice 4-hour retracement, man. Damn. It's a Tao. Swimmers. Same thing on Go also. So Go, I'm waiting for the retracement before I buy it. But other than that, I cannot buy it. It's still pushing. But the momentum on Go is slowly dying off. So yeah, I'm waiting to see this come down.
Oh, GG pulling back.
Hey Kevin, long time no see. Yeah, I think no need to rush, got a lot of moves to take anyway. The way this thing is moving up, right, the bullish momentum is slowing down, so I do think it will come down for a retracement. Yeah, fighting. Counter. I think it depends if it's counter trend. Depends on what time frame you read your trend off, I think. Because I get my trend direction from the daily and the 4-hour. So far it's bullish to me though. This is the retracement. Just that if you are looking at this area here, then yes, this week, this short-term move is bearish. Oh, yeah, if you're looking at this move, the daily, then yeah, counter trend, yes. SIND. Let me know if the drilling is a bit loud. It should be stopping soon.
Damn, Daniel.
Why you damn Daniel for? Look at GJ. Look at GJ.
We are very accurate.
GJ said, buy me, buy me.
After he said, oops. Let me see. So I put from here to here. Then I put from here to here. Wow, damn. So far it looks like it's matching up. Reaction to the downside now.
It's picking up another buyer.
Calm down, calm down. London just opened and then look at this disgusting candle. Damn, man. You killed all the people who entered anticipating the London move. Shit.
London fake out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, mine is strong bearish as well.
Oh. Damn. The market fluidity people hit the loss. Shit.
Did they?
Yeah, they bought at the high. Ouch.
Oh, you.
Shit.
Who is it? Luke.
I think they bought when it broke here. Damn. Casualties!
That's how they trade though.
Yeah, but it's how they trade. Sometimes they catch. So like Monday, Tuesday they caught. And today they got caught. It's probabilities.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, when it's trending, they
will catch. Yes.
They chase. Yeah.
Yeah. It's good that they take 10, so it's safer, I guess. And need a CSI.
Wow. What a conversation.
The problem is the 1 hour is still making higher lows. Come on, man. And this 1 hour hasn't closed also. Ooh, I realized I can do something on Discord. Look at Alexi's name on Discord.
He changed his name?
Yes.
How can I see now?
On the right side.
Oh, I'll check. Oh.
Look at yours.
He's not gonna be happy. Oh wow. Little shit. Thanks. What about MB?
How can you change the name? Wow.
She's the boss. That's why.
Dangerous.
I don't have LinkedIn lah, Andy. I think this bearish candle might come lower. Broke support on the 15. Yeah. I'm gonna wait here for my fish.
He's waiting to fish.
The toolbox has detached itself. Ooh. Can the toolbox detach? Auto arrange.
Someone is having holiday in the beach.
Who?
Look at this code and you'll know.
771. Yes, Aiden, I'm waiting. Come on, man. This is my fishing boat. It's parked here. I have no idea how it happened. You can't see your oh, damn. I think I need to see a screenshot of how what it looks like. Because the other time I did something, sounds like something I did before. Let's see what's happening on GU. Ooh, GU. GU is still up, up, up. Andy, Ao is his surname. Why you ask him to change his name?
It's not AUD USD.
No, his surname is Ao. He's Chinese.
Oh.
Bruh. Damn. Market stupidity, boss.
Stupidity is stupid.
Oh no, they didn't buy at a high. They sold it. They sold it, then they took the loss. How? Maybe off this reject resistance area? But how to sell? 30 minutes. Confused. Should have been a window.
Maybe the 2 candles before.
Oh shit.
That's what I can predict. I don't know.
I'm trying to remember what I learned.
No.
broke the previous 1 hour low already. Dun dun dun. And D.
What?
The question is, how will you know which low needs to be respected? Shouldn't it, if like, okay, so for example on the 1 hour, right? If this is the low, the previous low, and then now this one made a higher low, right? Technically, this is now the new invalidation area, no?
Just bigger time frame.
Oh, true. Yes. The 1 hour
Only
mess with me
3
yesterday.
words.
Okay. Got it.
Oh, I got some notification. My OCD is shouting
Where?
in Tradingview.
Oh, yesterday I saw something interesting on Tradingview. Oh, Tick Meal is on Tradingview now. So you can trade directly off this thing. Like Owender last time. It's quite convenient though. But if you slide your if you slide your thing wrongly, then GG. Yeah. It literally like you just execute off Tradingview.
Honestly, Tickmill is really good, but I'm not sure about the reliability.
The Tick Meal is from the UK, right?
Yeah, it used to be in Europe, I think.
Mm.
Oh, I think Freighter said to me it was in Estonia. Tickmill Saxo.
Shit, where was it? Hey, not this.
Saxo is also good.
Sexo? Really? Yeah, look at this. Come down. I like.
And then it keeps going down.
No. Stop. Slow down, please. But Ogi, aren't you out already? Or did you manage to get in again? Okay. $15-minute close, let me see. Oh, 15. This big candle? Okay. Cool. Trust your zone. Suddenly the whole thing turned bearish. What the fuck? Wait. Brexit headlines. Let me see. Construction PMI. Those trading gold tonight during during the New York session later. Be careful, yeah. There's jobless claims today on the US. FYI. Brexit headlines. I don't see any. Because this area, swimmers, just now, right, on this area here, 1 hour's impulse move up, push up. So I was waiting for the 78.6 here, plus the 4 hour also left awake, but I'm not sure yet. I haven't gotten a buy signal, so if this 4 hour low breaks, right, do no more longs. Bye bye. GG is coming down. So I'm watching as it comes down lower. It needs to respect these lows. It's a 78.6 fit for me also on the 1 hour. Let me show you. I pulled it like this. Dun. are the Chinese indicators saying? I don't know. I don't really use them for my entries. So I thought it was reversal. I don't understand the question. I want it to, that means I still want to go up, because for me, right, the original analysis that I did was, if we look at the daily, this was the previous weekly low, right? This candle here, this big bearish candle came down, failed to break this low, and then this candle is irrelevant because it hasn't closed, right? So but if you drop down to the 4 hours, then you can start to see the 4 hour after that, none of them are closing below the lows already. So there's like a tiny lower, a higher low being made here. So it was bullish for me. But all the way up, not yet. But at least still like this area here, which is a big enough area for me. Irish foreign minister said something. Oh, okay. Oh, this one. I don't see. I don't think Mew is welcome. Oh, it's for futures only, not forex yet. Them.
Wait,
Maybe
what?
it's only for futures. For now. Damn. Oh else. Maybe soon they'll have the forex market. Let's see. Nice catch. Did GU come? Someone said GU came back down though. Looks like you're still safe.
Is it Geo? I thought Geo has been going to the downside.
Yeah. GU has been, but today it pulled back like GJ at it.
Yeah, Geo disgusting.
GU very tough. But this area here, like, is this impulsive move down might be coming to an end already. I still think GU has room to fall though. GU and GJ's trend is quite different. This 1 hour so far looking okay. Hey, Mr. Deprived this year. Bye, Ogi. See you later. Bruh, Andy. shit. Andy, look at my screen. See? You see the right side of the screen?
No.
I'm going to leave it there.
I don't see the zoom.
Damn. Andy, every day you need to send me this alert. Bloop, bloop. Oh, GJ is really doing like the 4-hour candles are damn nasty. Higher highs. If this thing closes like that, also higher low. But the candle is damn gross. I'm waiting for the 1 hour to close to see if this big giant candle can respect the low. Cause this is damn big. I feel like I'm stepping in front of a train. Go is going to the moon. Looks like this 4-hour move is still intact. Damn. $17.45. 1780 is really far, Alexi.
I'll buy now.
Bruh. Are you talking about GJ?
Mhm. Tempting.
I'm waiting for the 1 hour to close. Bruh. Don't be the devil, bruh. Am I looking for longs? Yes, Victor, I am. Oh, I flipped the 4-hour wick, so yummy. Actually, technically, Andy, if you have your invalidation area, right? You don't even... As long as this thing still holds, even if you wait for the close, it doesn't mean it will not tap again, right? Right? It's probabilities.
Yeah, but I like to just wait for 1 hour to close.
Yeah, it's like a mental thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. 15 minute also higher low already. Looks interesting. Aiden, where's your stop loss gonna be? One hour after entry. Oh, okay. Eh, if it's 1 hour means you have your TP already. You know how you get 1 hour?
Bruh. The notification is annoying.
Is it raining in your ears?
Like a bubble.
Yeah, bloop bloop bloop.
It sounds like
Shit, man. The picture damn ugly lah, Andy.
That's an Instagram filter.
Oh, this 30-minute candle, right? Easier to see. If it closes bullish, we have another higher low forming. Then GJ slowly might go up. So I'm waiting for the hour to close. Oh, when gold pushes is damn scary, Andy. I don't think it will come back anytime soon.
No, because it already came back before.
Yeah. I think this one's gone already. Sad. Put back at...
You put an alert already.
Don't remind me. Don't even remind me, bruh.
Yeah, goddess.
The thing is, I'm not sure where the invalidation is here. This one here. The extreme high.
Yeah, but at this point, I think like it's gonna be broken.
Yeah, I also think so. Look at the momentum. But this is the first candle that broke the resistance so far. So if you think this is going up, when it closes above this resistance here, it might wick down on the 1 hour. Those who want to take this move or are afraid of missing this, if it closes above all this, you can take it when it tests this resistance and then aim for these highs. Yeah.
Bye, GG.
No. Oh, 15-minute close, nice. Stack, Andy, stack your position. Stack 2%, 2%, 2%.
Bro, if I wait 1 hour close, the next
think
is
we'll
4 hours close.
Yep.
Patience.
Yeah. Because this 15-minute is barely even half the candle, I'm not sure. So I'll wait for the hour and the 30. So the next one I'll watch, if this 30 closes bullish, since it's making higher lows respecting this previous 4-hour low, right? I'll wait for it to make a lower wick, probably tap into this area again. Respect these lows. Go! Go to this area first. Please don't close too big, please. Nowadays the London open move is like about an hour late, I realize.
What?
The London open move is 1 hour late. It doesn't happen right at London Open.
Yeah, it's not that reliable anymore.
Bruh, the candle is going.
Patience.
No, swimmers are not in yet. I want the... Because this 15 not big enough for me, I'm waiting for the 30 and the 1 hour. But so far I do see the buys. Why you laugh?
Sounds like someone snoring.
I know, right? It's like, can this person just drill one time, nice one, then go away? It's like he goes like zzz, zzz, zzz. Oh, freaking irritating. I don't even know what he's drilling.
No idea.
You cannot change your name back. Should be can, right?
Don't know how to do it.
You right click your name, then there's a change nickname.
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah.
Oh, our low breaking.
I let it be.
Stop.
India.
GJ, stop. India. India.
So Asian.
You sound like my grandmother.
India.
India.
Where do you keep your sausage, Andy?
Oh, Andy, I really feel like I'm going to step in front of a train, Look at this.
Nice. It's too dangerous.
Yeah. Bruh. I really have to wait for the 4-hour close already. Come on. Oh. Okay, no more already. Shit. Damn.
It's so close to the yesterday's low.
Yes.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn. It's gonna break. It's gonna break yesterday's low also. Damn.
Huh? Snitch to who? Who that?
Hey Mackie, I saw you on Luke's stream. Monty doesn't have the Roro, by the way. He's just settling personal stuff, FYI. What's my bias? I'm long biased on GJ still, but it's tough for me to buy now because it broke my previous 4-hour low. I need to see where this candle stops at the next 4-hour close. If not, I'm not touching this. Could be the daily low. Yes, Andy? Wow. $6.50.
I'm FOMO.
My neighbor is drilling rum. No, Tiago, that's the thing. I'm not even staying in a BTO. I'm staying in a very old estate. And yet, people keep renovating their freaking house. Yeah, man. I think this was like downstairs, a few floors down. That's why it's not that loud. Looking for short if it breaks 155.77. Oh, that's very low. This wick, I think. Yeah, if it breaks this thing is gonna come down quite hard. Do you sell the breakout or you wait for the retest of the breakout? I think it will have to break 156.87. 687 and short to 154.50. 450.
Oh, it's broke.
Bye bye. Oh, GG still wants to come down. This is disaster. Finally it's coming down. Let's see the weekly. Oh, weekly is feeling the wick already. Ding, ding, ding. If this continues down like that, it might feel the previous week also. The previous weekly week. Means it's going to come down even more.
I can see at least 149, 300. Like halfway there.
Yeah. Yeah. This is a classic move. Damn. It's going to break my weekly already. Daily wick 155.86. I think it failed already. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to fill this weekly wick now. 149, how much again?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
300. I've got. If you pull the fib on the daily, actually, I didn't look at the weekly. From the low to the high. From 148,532 to the high that created. Then you can see this. Now we're close to the 61,78. So somewhere in between. 149, 300. I'd say first. I don't know.
300.
Or 500. Sorry.
I think if you want to take an impulse entry run, it is very, very FOMO because you saw one big candle, this is the next big candle, this is FOMO times 1 million. Don't do it. Because the way, yes, it might continue down and then you'll be like, shit, I should have entered. So don't let me stop you if you want to enter, just understand that you are very late to the entry. So if you enter, just understand on the higher time frame also, right? There is wicks on the left where price has rejected before. So as long as you know where your target is, where your stop loss is going to be, then if you want to chase the move now, then you got to know where your risk is. I personally will not touch this.
It's just being FOMO if you didn't catch it from the top.
Yes. Yeah. You can wait for it to pull back like this here. Then you enter, that's not as bad. But if you keep entering when the candle keeps dropping like that, right? It's damn dangerous. Just wait for GJ to do something. Do a pause, break the low. If you really like are itching for a trade, let it pause, break the low, not break the high. Then you go in when it breaks the low. Like here. Then your stop loss, you know where to put it. But if you enter like this now, right, then where's your stop loss going to be? Somewhere here, right? And if it pulls back, you're going to cut your trade. And then after that, it does that, then you'll come down again. Then you'll be like, shit! Yeah, so let it just do some kind of pause first.
Lately, it's been dying and then pulling up.
Yeah.
So you don't want to be caught in that.
Yes. That's what's scaring you, the wicks on the left side. Yes, exactly. So your problem is sometimes Raja enters impulsive even though there are wicks on the left and he anticipates momentum will break. Now, what momentum is there? Nothing really. There's London already open. If you're taking this move, right, it started from here. This was the London open move. So it's been pushing down since then. So I don't know, to me it's just risky. I won't. At least let it pull back first. Even Raja knows to let it pull back first. He doesn't enter like this. Raja will enter here. When it pulls back a little bit for him, break this, he will enter. But he will not enter this kind of candle. This one. It's too dangerous for him. That one I'm quite sure. Maybe I show you Big Mac. Lol.
What a coincidence.
Andy, I hope you didn't close.
No, he's still holding his shorts from yesterday, I think. That's what he said just now.
No,
Oh no,
I
wait.
closed it.
You close, right? Shit.
Andy.
Bruh. Damn. GG did you nasty, man. Next time you want to close your MT5. Bye-bye levels. They're all gone. Poof, with one big candle. Reanalyze. Oh, what the hell, man? Looks like the buys.
Beef and none of.
Not
Yeah,
valid
sorry,
really.
carry on.
No, I'm just saying the buys are not valid anymore.
We said in the morning none of the candles are closing above 150.97, like 151
Yeah.
on the 4 hour.
Yep.
Kept rejecting, no?
Yeah. That was as far as I would take my longs.
Yeah.
Anything above is bonus. Then damn. Flip without us.
Exactly. The thing is how to take. Even if you were on the 15 maybe.
If
1 hour.
1 hour looks safer. Like 1 hour broke. This is the first candle that broke this support, right? So close. If you really think this is going down, since it managed to close below and close lower than any of the other candles on the left, then you just enter and then your stop loss will be aggressive on top of this. Because you don't want it to come back in already. Yeah, other than that, no. There's no entry for me.
Do you see a W here? I don't know if you can see, I'm on the phone.
Can.
Okay. Yeah, maybe that's why.
Maybe.
I don't know. I cannot clear L, sorry.
Never mind. No.
Thank you. GG.
GG. Ooh, go trapped people. Damn. Come on, turn around, please.
Wow. I'll look at the 15 on GJ.
Waterfall.
Look at the candle.
Yeah, waterfall. That's all. It's a waterfall. Was there any news? F in chat for the breakout buyers. On GJ is a win. On Go is death. Yeah. Buyers on Go, GG. Oh, buyers. Oh, yes. I thought you meant the breakout traders. I really thought it was in Egypt. Like, it didn't occur in my mind that it was a fucking big river.
Why is Alexia angry?
I don't know what's wrong with him. That's not Alexi, that's Martin.
Oh, is it? Okay, sorry. I never know who is her now.
Accurate FX is Martin.
Oh. It's gonna be my suspect. Thanks. My forehead is not that big.
See this chart. Entry breaking below the wick. I think I thought about this entry just now. The fact that, okay, if you're afraid of this, you don't need to be, because look at this big bearish candle. It broke all the structure on the 15-minute and it even closed below the 1-hour support. So I don't think this entry was wrong. There's just no, it's not really proper structure, you're just riding the momentum, so there is a difference. So if you're riding the momentum, your anticipation is that all the structure will break on the left. So there's a difference between a momentum trade and a structure trade. That's like my view. This one is clearly momentum.
Is Andy killing mosquitoes?
I don't know.
You killing mosquitoes?
No, I click my finger.
Ouch, that's
Wow.
really loud.
Oh, really?
You thought you were clapping your hand.
Loud boy.
No, I
Louder.
like to, what do you say? Clicking my finger.
I'm done, yeah.
Let's see how to take this safely. The moves look very big because we're playing on the weekly and like daily, weekly and monthly structure already. That's why it's tougher intraday.
Currently is rejecting the 61.
And that 61 is also near this latest move down. So if it does a retest, then maybe you can take the shots down safer. Because now the structure changed already. Like my bias is bearish. You already broke my weekly previous week low. What the shit. Imagine you caught this on Monday. Oh my god.
Like someone we know.
Yeah, we were all looking at the double top.
Yeah.
Damn.
Just looking and staring. No,
looking and staring. Then, no, it's okay. Fuck. After that, it went down without
gonna
us.
happen.
Yeah. This area, right? I still remember 6. Yeah, this one. Oh my god.
Yeah. But the way it was, you know, like wicking and rejecting, and I'm like, do I want to enter the trade? No, I didn't. I wasn't convinced at all.
But structurally, it makes sense. Like at that area when you were stepping the double top, it's like giving you so many chances to come in already. So many.
GJ was like, you wanna sell me?
Come,
do it.
sell.
Come on and do it.
Yeah.
So sad.
Andy, may I please know why you closed?
Because I'm bored in profit.
Yeah.
Because
What
too
a
much
good
profits.
answer.
Don't know how to handle.
You didn't even leave 0.02.
No.
Damn, mate.
So sad.
This whole thing is the weekly wick low. This is a very clean move. This is dangerous.
That girl is so dangerous.
I'm going to look at the 4 hour. Bro.
You know how much she loves you now. Fight me, Alexi. She wants to snitch that boy.
$272. Why 272, guys? Why 200? This area here?
And guys,
It's the only level I can see. Oh shit, I just saw this. This weekly candle. This weekly candle, right? Broke. Support. Retested. Support. Come down. I just saw it. Like this, if I don't care that this is a weekly. It looks like a perfect break and retest. Damn.
It seems like you were saying this morning, if it didn't close on the 4 hour, if it doesn't close above that support, we're not going up.
No.
That's why you were aiming for that.
Yeah. But it didn't even give me a chance to take any profits. But at least I'm not in.
Idiot. Yeah, exactly. You're not losing anything.
Yeah, but oh, this looks like a perfect break and retest. Shit, I just saw this. Damn.
Sell now, yeah.
Huh?
Sell
Said
now.
sell now. Oh god. Wow. Wow, your neighbors are really serious now.
Yes. I think he heard me. He's like, okay, let me drill harder.
We said this morning they weren't loud, but now
He's being
the real
wimpy
deal.
with his drill.
He's like, she on YouTube? Alright.
Drill.
I'm a drill. Huh? What the? Swingers. You and L. Rumors everywhere. You're muted. Wow, swingers.
I didn't say anything. Because the drill is getting louder, what the hell? I'm just muted.
Can you read what I, well, can you see what I wrote in Arabic?
I think you entered based on the 1 hour, right? Matthias. 1 hour stop loss is above this 1 hour candle, I think. Yeah, since the price already broke, I had a weekly low here. This was the weekly. Price broke this, so now my trend is different. I think that GJ now is doing a deeper retracement to fill this weekly wick. So yeah, I think it could come down to your level also. Just that now the problem is me finding my entry. Is there any way you could have done better? No, I think you placed your stop loss well above structure, and you took it when it broke the support. So it's just that the stop loss was big while you identified the area, so I think it was a good catch. Just that you gotta be very patient with this trade since your stop loss is so big already. Now gold is at a strong daily resistance, that's why it cannot just break through like that. Because if you look at the price action on gold, right, Esther, it's like impulsive move up, This thing needs a break before it can break the daily resistance. That's why I think I'm waiting for this thing to pull back, then I re-enter if it respects the low here. So I'm not surprised that this happened actually. Because to break a strong zone it needs a lot more momentum. I would prefer if the impulse move started a bit higher and then I can go again. Oh, okay. Yeah, Eden, I'm waiting also. Because this thing, if I chase this down, right, I will not manage it properly, I know. So I'm waiting for the 1 hour to do some kind of pullback. But if anyone wants to take this on the lower time frame, then be my guess. He's pulling back for you now. Just on the 1 hour, I'm not comfortable chasing such a big candle down. I need it to pull back for me first. To where, I don't know. I need to see the price action on the 4 hour close. I only know where I don't want it to break if I want it to come down. This green line. So likely area for the retest obviously is here. But will it come back that high? I'm not sure.
Hello.
Hmm?
Are you gonna stay until New York?
On YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
YouTube, no. Luke is streaming today. Yesterday was Sacha, today is Luke. I don't need to stay on. Nobody even comes to my stream. Like, not many people anyway. I saw a bunch of those regulars all on his stream already. So, you know what kind of strategy they're trading, so there's no point. I stopped staying for New York really, because not many people, so. Luke is this guy. So those that are scalpers or you trade 10 pips, right? My channel is really not for you because I barely take anything because I'm a day trader. This guy trades like Raja. If you want the same thing, go to his stream. He comes on every day at London. Here, traffic. Yeah, this guy. So those who are 10 pip traders, this is the stream for you. I don't know why Andy, I closed it. Let me see it. Maybe now, yes. Yes. Yeah, like I think I talk about other stuff about trading. Like the streams are here to help in other ways about trading. Like I don't really take a lot of entries, but when I do, the trades run a bit longer, so that's why. But that's why I have a lot more time to talk and handle other questions. Yeah, but I used to stay very long, but after a while I burnt out, so I decided not to. No point if I burn out. Which is Sasha's stream. Sasha doesn't stream every day, but his is trade with the pack. So yeah, if you guys are lower time frames traders, or rather you like to trade the Raja method, then go for them. Trade the pack. These two. He doesn't stream every day. Tuesday and Thursday, I think. Angela, why do you bring up the 45k thing again? I thought the topic was over already. In the chat. Like, I think we stopped talking about it on Tuesday. That's Andy's point of don't start.
Angela, that was me typing, by the way.
Which one?
I said good morning to her.
Lol. Yeah, but anyway, that whole Raja thing, let's not bring it up again. There's two camps. Some people agree with it, some people don't agree with it. You have your own opinions about it. We ended the conversation about it a while back already. So yeah, let's just drop that topic. I don't have beef, Samuel, I say again. I like to eat beef, but I don't have beef. Matthias, I'm not sure yet. Like, cause I still have some people to get through. I need to be done with them first, then I can tell you when I'm opening it again. No, Samuel, the story is still the same. I never have beef with him. It's just a topic that we had in the Discord that was over like 2 days ago. Someone brought it up again as well. Which time frame do I normally trade? 15 1 hour, sometimes 4 hour, depending on the structure. But right now, if you want to trade this to chase the momentum, right, you can only look at the lower time frame. Then be quick with your entries because this push started way earlier. This is like, I don't know where the end of the move is. I know where my targets are, but it doesn't mean that GJ will go all the way there. Even though there's a clean area here, so if you think that it's going down to fill all this area to this, then yes, you can look at the lower time frame 15 to take your entries. Yeah, I'm still bullish overall. It's just that now I think, right, GJ is doing a deeper pullback. Then yes, this week is the, because I can't really see the structure anymore on the 4 hours, so I have to go up the time frames. So right now, this area here, this wick looks like it's about to fill, and then this could be the retracement. Maybe after that it goes up. So this one also ties in potentially with this candle hasn't closed, so I can't really fit this accurately, but if it does confirm this high, then maybe it'll come and fill this wick to around 149,500. That's a rough target area. Sophia, I think if you trade the lower time frame, right, as long as you know that you're trading the momentum down and you use structure to place your stops, right? So for example, if you entered this one, because clearly this one is still going to come down. Let me draw it. This bullish candle here, this is not a pullback, right? So as in, this one is not going to reverse the trend. This candle is so weak. So when this bearish candle closes, then yeah, you can take it stop loss above, then just come down. Just show your stop loss tight as you come down, because you are chasing the move. So it's not impossible to take a trade, it's just a preference now. What kind of entries that you want. Yeah, so as long as you manage risk, this trade can still be taken, to be honest. That's why just now I think Ram was asking if he can take the impulse entry, right? I told him to wait for the pause. The pause came. Yeah, it's just that if you're entering after a big move, the only question is you don't know where it will stop, and then come back for a deeper pullback. Yeah, so pros and cons to both. It's like for me, I miss entirely because I'm waiting for price to potentially come back somewhere for 700-ish, make a lower high, then come down again. But if the momentum is too strong, I will miss my trade. Yeah. So if, like, I'm overall long bias also based on the higher time frame, but I can see, and price has confirmed to me since it broke this weekly low, that this area potential, but not the extreme if I'm still long bias. And I wait for the candle to flip. I wait for a few minutes. No, I think it's the actual flip. The candle color will change. So like this one, right? This candle, if it doesn't flip, it's not surprising. Because when a candle flips, right? When a candle creates a wick, on the lower time frame is doing this. Like maybe you drop down to the 1 minute, you see price doing this and slowly pulling back before it comes down on this candle. Yeah, so but the thing is, because this momentum is really strong, if this candle doesn't make a top wick, or it makes a really small wick, right, you don't have to be surprised and you can just take the entry on the close. So it depends on the previous momentum also. There's no fixed time. It's just that you need to know where your stop loss will be. That's the crucial thing. And you measure your risk reward to see if it's comfortable for you. So if you know on this area here, right, stop loss is definitely above here. Right? This is easy. It's definitely above this structure. And wherever it is, you've just got to measure and see whether you're comfortable with that amount of risk. Does that make sense? Some people just enter on the close, and then if it pulls back, right, then it doesn't matter. As long as it doesn't break this, it's fine. Because they know this is where the idea is wrong. So the flip is not 100% necessary, but it does give you a bit more confirmations. Why didn't I take GG cells? Because it did not. I don't take impulse entries. I think that's what you're asking, Mohammed. I don't trade breakouts also. So this candle, right? 1 hour broke out. Usually I need price to just do a retest for me. It never did. Neither did it do on the 15th. This retest is not a retest. So no entry for me. I'm a break and retest trader most of the time. So no entry for me. Anyway, I'm gonna leave when the 4 hour closes. If you guys have questions, send them in the chat. If not, trade this move down carefully. Nah, Esther, not if you understand where you are in the move. Did you enter high? Like you buy at this area here? Oops, sorry Samir, I just saw it. $149. Yeah, Samuel, I like your plan. This area is my final target also, same thing. 150. Why is GG dropping? I think it was a long-awaited retracement. So it's just that now we're at really the highs on the higher time frame, the weekly and the monthly. We're at those highs now. So having a reaction like this is not surprising, and it looks like a very big move because all these moves are on the higher time frame, so it just looks bigger on the smaller time frames. That's about it. But if you look at the weekly, right, it's just been one big bullish move. It's really overextended, so that's just it. I don't see any other news that is the reason for this. Nothing. It's just price action. Yeah, this is a slight dip on the higher time frame, but it looks like a very big dip on the lower time frame. So it depends on the time frame that you're trading. But at the end of the day, you gotta understand where you are in the overall market, like in terms of price, like which part of price are you at. So if you're approaching higher time frame resistance areas like this and this, then you can expect big moves on the retracement, which look like reversals on the lower time frame. That's about it. How low do I think it's gonna go? Let's see, the 4 hour just closed. I'll be watching 150 first. Anything, so I know that the weekly wick, my view is in order for price to be bullish still in line with the trend, it cannot break this. So this is my threshold for shorts, but 150 is a level that I'll be watching out for as if I'm trading it down. Excuse me. Okay, anyway, YouTube, thank you for hanging. If you guys are looking for a stream, Luke is streaming later if you all want to join his stream. I'm not sure what time he's starting, don't ask me. But again, if you really want, this guy trades like Raja. He is Raja's student, so if you want, just hop on his stream. Okay, other than that, trade safe. Chase this move down carefully. That's all I can say. Right, bye bye.